What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today, we're going to be talking about what's on everybody's mind, and it's will crypto continue to crash or will we have a pump coming up very soon? So, we're going to talk about this, some technicals on Bitcoin, go over a few articles, and kind of look at what we got. So, definitely stick around to the end of the video, hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm, and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over first. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Let's go straight over this though. So the first thing we're going to do is some technical analysis on Bitcoin. So as you can see right now, everything has been crashing huge in the crypto market. You got Bitcoin down 28% in the last 7 days. It was down 19% just yesterday. Ethereum almost at triple digits, almost at $900. That's going to be crazy. Bitcoin almost going below 20K for a second there. So we got all the way down here at about 20.8K here in Bitcoin. So the next thing that I'm pretty much predicting here with Bitcoin is another sell-off. So right now we're hitting this red area here, which is pretty much resistance. The red area is supply and demand of less demand with our resistance. And obviously we have less demand in the supply and demand area. So we're probably going to see another rejection here with Bitcoin. And it's going to go below this 28 or this 20.8K level here. It's going to go way below that because you can see here on the oscillator, we're coming off of a purchased area here. And now you're starting to see some of that selling coming in, and that selling is probably going to look similar to this area here. So it's probably going to be a similar amount of selling. And remember, when we sold off there, it pretty much brought us down by that much, which pretty much shows the next area for this to go would either be around 21K, like the lower level of 21K, or all the way down to about 20.8K, the high 20.8Ks. So that's what we could see here for Bitcoin coming very soon. Now, this is just the 15M chart. It's very short term, but if we were to go over here and look at the 4-hour chart, you're going to see a more longer term perspective here because all of the selling in Bitcoin is oversold. We're way oversold. And this is actually a bullish signal because this is where momentum is built. People do the buy the dip opportunities, is what they call it. And this happens all the time. Like whenever there's FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, everything sells off, but it's really cheap. So then the people with the big money come and scoop it right at the bottom. And whenever it's FOMO, that's when they're selling. They're getting out because they see how much money is inside of there. So right now, this is FUD, all fear, uncertainty, and doubt. But once it starts to pump up to this resistance line, back up to 28K, that's going to be where you see the FOMO start to come in. People are going to have that fear of missing out, which could actually lead it from going all the way at 28K, all the way up to the next resistance, all the way up to 34K. Now, that's just the bullish scenario. Not necessarily saying that that'll happen anytime soon. This bullish scenario could take a week, maybe a few weeks, maybe a few months, but it's definitely going to have a reversal, something like that, where it just shoots all the way back up to like 28K. That's where our immediate resistance is at. So around 26 to 28K, that area. And then once we actually shoot past that area, you're going to see that 34K coming next. So there is a bull rally forming up here, but it's going to take a little while for it to start. So even over here, you can see we had kind of the same thing here for this oversold area. And then it shows that it could become bullish, but it didn't quite get there. It got rejected. So like I said, you got to wait for this resistance. And then after 26K, that's what's really going to be able to tell whether or not we're going to be bullish if we can pass 26K again. But if we can't pass 26, 28K, can't get past that area to get back up to 30K, you're going to see more selling coming in for it. But anyways, looking at this article here, it definitely shines the light on some stuff. It says Bitcoin got slaughtered, obviously, but they expect to see a further drop below the $20,000 support, which is pretty significant because, a lot of people don't want to see Bitcoin going down below 20K. But like, look, if we went down below 20K, that's just a huge buying opportunity. That means Ethereum is going to be below that as well. We're going to have everything so cheap. And really, there's going to be huge buying opportunities here. But, most people don't have the money to buy through these opportunities, let's be honest. And that's where the big money comes in. They come and scoop it all up. But anyways, let's read this. So it says Bitcoin's pain has only just begun. So there's pretty much saying that we're going to continue to fall. So Bitcoin price fell on Monday after dollar strength continued from where it had left off. So as the dollar gets stronger, Bitcoin gets weaker. And that's pretty much what you're seeing. People are taking their money out of Bitcoin just to hold it in dollars, because now that we're going into a recession, we're actually already in a recession. Now they're really getting more money out of their dollar because now the dollar is becoming stronger. So a lot of people are taking their money out of Bitcoin and pretty much out of all of crypto, just liquidating it all. And look here, the bottom that we have that looks like for our support is 16K. And that is, really low. A lot of people don't want to see that, but we have the bottom support around 16K. Then we got some more support around 19. And right now where we're at is 22K. So our next area to go, if we pretty much break down below, is going to be 19K. So coming back over here to the 15M chart, you can see where we stopped and left off. It was at 20.8K. Just imagine going way lower down to 19K. So that's pretty much what we're looking at here in the crypto market. So we are going to see some more selling off to pretty much answer the question. But after that, momentum will be built and we will become bullish. We will come out of this bullish. I don't know how long this recession is going to last, but for however long, I definitely see some huge buying opportunities in the crypto market. Now, is this the bottom? I don't think this is completely the bottom, but I do think there is potential for us to reach the top. But it's just going to take us bottoming out and going sideways for a while until we finally build that momentum to just have another bull rally. So that's pretty much what I think about it. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely. And also, if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. As always, I'll be back with another video.